Let's draw a cute black cat for Halloween. In this video, we will draw a super cute black kitty cat for Halloween in easy steps with simple shapes. When you need more time drawing, pause the video. Always use a pencil first when drawing. That way you can erase the lines you don't want. Draw the head. Draw an oval shape for the cat's head. Draw the body. Draw the eyes. Start with 2 large circles for the eyeballs. Draw a smaller circle in the center of each eyeball for an iris. Add a little circle in the top left corner of each iris for a highlight. Draw the muzzle. Draw a small oval at the bottom of the head for a muzzle. Don't make it too small because there will be a nose and mouth in it. Draw the nose. Draw a triangular nose at the top of the muzzle. Draw the mouth. Add the W-shaped mouth under the nose. Draw the ears. Draw the cat's pointy ears. Then add a line inside each ear as shown. Draw the paws. Start with the front paws. Then add the back paws. Draw the tail. Draw the whiskers. Start inside the muzzle and add whiskers that extend beyond the cat's head. Draw a background. Draw a line for the ground the cat is standing on. Notice that it goes behind the cat. Add some clouds in the sky. Write happy on one side of the cat and Halloween on the other side. Add a scalloped line around the words. And color your super cute black kitty cat. This colored drawing would make a great Halloween card. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.